I'm here with Dr. Dean Ornish, President and founder of the Preventive Medicine Research Institute and Clinical Professor of Medicine at the University of California, San Francisco. There's a study in the Lancet Oncology. Can you tell me what the study evaluated?
In our study, we looked at telomeres, which are the ends of the chromosomes that control cellular aging. They're often likened to the plastic tips on the ends of our shoelaces that keep the shoelaces from unraveling. The telomeres help to keep our DNA and our chromosomes from unraveling. And as our telomeres get shorter, our lives tend to get shorter, and the incidence of the most common diseases like heart disease and cancer goes up.
What were the specific findings of the study?
We found that the telomeres actually got longer by almost 10% in the group that made these lifestyle changes, whereas they got shorter by about 3% in the control group. And we also found that the more people changed their lifestyle, the longer their telomeres got at any age. And that's a very empowering finding, and also one that helps give us more confidence in the validity of our findings.
What are the lifestyle changes that are the most important to be made in your opinion?
In all of our studies, we used the same intervention. It wasn't like there was one set of lifestyle changes for your heart and a different one for your prostate or your diabetes or your telomeres. It was the same for all of them. And they included what we eat, in this case, a whole foods, low-fat, plant-based diet, moderate exercise in terms of walking 20 or 30 minutes a day, stress management techniques, including yoga and meditation, and more social support and love and intimacy.
How is telomere length a predictor of biological age? Would you characterize this finding as the fountain of youth?
No, it's not the fountain of youth, but it's certainly a step in the right direction. Until now, we thought that only telomeres could get shorter. Now we found that they can actually get longer. Other studies have looked at one moment in time and found, for example, that people who run a lot tend to have longer telomeres, or people who smoke cigarettes have shorter telomeres, or women who are chronic caregivers under chronic emotional stress of taking care of parents with Alzheimer's or kids with autism tend to have shorter telomeres. But they were just looking at one moment in time. In our study, we actually intervened. We gave people a lifestyle program. We had a control group to compare to, and we found that overall the telomeres got longer in the group that made these lifestyle changes and shorter in the group that did not.
The study found that the greater the lifestyle change participants made, the longer their telomeres became. How do you interpret those results?
We found that the more they changed, the better they got. And that's a finding that we found in all of our studies the last 36 years for other conditions. We found the more people changed their lifestyle, the more their heart disease reversed. For the first time, we were able to show that. We showed that the more people changed their lifestyle, the more it slowed or stopped or even reversed the progression of prostate cancer or changed their gene expression. So these findings are giving us more confidence that what we observed is real.